Good morning students. In today's class we are going to see the ninth experiment, design and realization of R2R ladder DAC. DAC is nothing but digital to analog converter. Why we are in need of this conversion device, in the sense from microcontroller or from any computer, that will give the output as a binary value that is not understood by the human. So in order to be understandable for the human, we need to convert the digital value to another analog value. That is, all binary numbers needs to be converted to a meaningful value. So we need to have a digital to analog conversion device. So here we are going to use a op-amp to design and realize the R2R ladder DAC network. So the main aim of the experiment is to design and implement the R2R ladder network using an operational amplifier, that is IC741. The circuit diagram for R2R ladder network for converting the digital value to an analog value is shown over here. You can see here, this is R2R. It means that we are going to connect, suppose here 1K we are going to connect, means here 2.2K. 2K, you should actually we need to connect 2K if it is exactly R2R ladder network, but the standard value of the resistance 2K is not available. So we are going to use here 1K, here 2.2K, 1K, 2.2K, like this you can use. And the switches S0, S1, S2, S3 will represent the binary values. So if it is closed, it will be 0, and if it is if it is closed, it will be equal to 1, and if it is open, it is equal to 0. Suppose you consider S0 and S2 is closed, it means that at this S0 and S2 will have a value 1, that is 1010, and according to that you will be getting the output. So here the digital value, that is 1010 digital value is converted to your analog value. So it will give a voltage, in terms of voltage it will be there. So here the value of R1 we are going to use 1K, and the value of R2 is going to be 2K. In order to identify the value of your output voltage, the voltage is V reference into RF divided by 2 power 4 into 2R. 2 power 4 in the sense here we have used 4 switches, so that is by 2 power 4. And here S0, S1, S2, S3, S0 should be multiplied with 2 power 0. Why here we are going to use 2 power 0 in the sense, because it is a binary value. So in order to convert the binary value to decimal, we will be using, this is the normal logic how we will be converting the binary value to a decimal one. Next, the output V0 is equal to minus V reference into RF divided by 2 power 4 into 2R, which is equal to 5 RF divided by 16 into 2K, which is equal to 0.5. So suppose if I wanted to here for the minimum value of the voltage V0, that could be obtained only when you have the value 0001, and the maximum value is obtained when your all the switches are closed. So likewise we need to calculate the value of the output voltage for each and every logic. Since you have 4 switches, the value binary value will vary from 0000 to 1111. So here 0001, 0010, 11100, like that it goes on till your F value. So the minimum value of your output voltage obtained is going to be minus 0.51 volt, and the maximum value of the voltage obtained is going to be 0.73 volt. Why we are getting the value of the output voltage as negative in the sense, because in the circuit we have connected the logic to the inverting terminal. That is why in the output we have got the output voltage with a negative value, that is minus 0.151 and minus 7.73 volt. Rig up the circuit as shown in the circuit diagram and apply the logic stating it from 0000 to 1111 by either by closing the switches or by opening the switches S0, S1, S2, S3. Then we need to identify at the output of the circuit we have to connect one voltmeter. There we have to measure the value of the voltage. Then the practical value of the voltage is calculated theoretically, is compared with the theoretical value. So it is going to be the expected value of the output. For each value of the logic, there will be a certain value of your output voltage, and this could be verified with the practical demonstration video. As
I have connected the circuit as per the circuit diagram we have discussed. This is R2R ladder circuit. Okay, R2R ladder circuit means here we are having we are going to use only two resistance. One is R, other one is 2R. Okay, so here here I am going to use 2R will be connected to switches. Okay, so now I am going to give the input. Okay, the switch voltage input will be 5 volt and the other voltage will be 0. If it is connected to 5 volt, the switch is connected to 5, then it will be considered as an input as 1. If it is connected to 0, then it will be considered as 0. If it is connected to ground, then it will be considered as 0. Okay, so same like you have to give the VCC supply and minus VE supply. VCC should be given to pin number 7 and VE should be given to pin number 4. Okay, and I have to weave the output. Okay, to weave the output, I am going to see the to weave the output. I am going to see the output using CRO. Okay, here now I am going to give for this one the switch which is connected to pin number 2 is will be considered as a MSB bit, and the last one is the LSB bit. Now here I connected all the switches to 5 volt. Okay, I connected all the switches to 5 volt and see my output will be maximum voltage. Okay, my output will be maximum voltage. If I connect all the inputs, if I connect all the switches to pin number 5, I have connected, this is a pin number 5, positive of this RPS, pin number 5 I have connected. So I am getting here 3 into 2. So 6.4 volts I am getting here. Okay, I connected all the switches to 5 volt. So I am getting 6.4 volts. Okay, that is minus 6.4 volts. Why minus 6.4 volts means I connected the input at pin number 2, which is inverting terminal. So I am getting 180 degree out of phase with respect to input. So I connected here pin number 2. So I am getting minus 6.4 volts. Now I am going to connect the LSB bit alone. The remaining I am going to connect to 0. Now this is a MSB bit. So this will be connected to pin number that is this negative terminal is which is nothing but your 0. I am connecting to that. See, now I connected only LSB bit. LSB bit is connected to 5 volt. The remaining all the MSB that is next to LSB bit up to MSB bit I have connected to 0. So now I am getting my this one is 4 volt. That is this 0.2 into 2 is minus 0.4 volt. Now I am going to connect only my MSB bit. The remaining all I am going to connect to 0. So that is 1 0 0 0. So see my output. My output will be 2 into 1.6 into 2. That is 3.2 volts. Okay, so like that we have to do 2 power n combination. We have to interchange and we have to tabulate the values. Okay, from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. So total number of outputs you will get 16 outputs you will get. So the switches combination we have to keep on, we have to change and we have to take the readings and we have to plot the graph. Okay, thank you students.
With the experiment conducted, the value of the output voltage practically it has been noted down, and for all values of digital values like starting from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1, what are all the practical values obtained, it has been noted, and it is compared with the theoretical value which is shown with the previous calculation formula. The output for the same has been drawn, while x-axis will represent the digital value and y-axis represents the voltage. Thus the op-amp is designed and implemented as R2R digital to analog converter using an operational amplifier IC741. Thank you students.